Hi, and welcome back to today's morning report on Friday, the 27th of February, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Moving on to Euro-Dollar now, and this Euro chart is breaking down. We had this sharp move to the downside yesterday, dollar strength, pulling on that inflation and durable goods data, pulling the Euro-Dollar lower, and we're now back below the the 1260 low. That key support had been in place for almost 4 or 5 weeks there. And that support yesterday was broken to the downside, and I think that now just reconfirms the fact that we're in bearish control. Look at these stochastics falling away consistently now. MACD lines beginning to roll over, not far off a crossover once again. And I think if we got that crossover, that would be certainly adding to the whole bearish argument. Just pretty much across the board, the momentum indicators just look like this move that we've seen in the last few weeks. This consolidation has just been basically just used to unwind the momentum, and it looks like that momentum is beginning to break lower and put pressure back on the downside once again. Now, this is the hourly chart. That was the that green line there. Look at that. Consistent support coming in around that 1260, 1270 level, broken decisively yesterday. So that breakdown of the support now becomes the new resistance. On the basis of old support becomes new resistance. So this drift higher that we've seen today, sort of 25 pips to the upside. So it's a reasonable bounce at the moment, but nothing too significant to affect the chart really. And it is pretty much just unwinding some of this oversold momentum that we've seen. And I think anything back towards, if you got another bout of resistance coming in around that 1260 mark, I'd say that's probably a decent area to sell, because it certainly looks like now we're going to be retesting this low of 1098, and probably further downside in due course. But certainly it looks like this trading range that we've been in for over 4 weeks is now breaking down, and it would suggest that we're going to be heading lower once again. Is there a great deal to go on in terms of bullish signals intraday? Well, you'd say that these candles that are forming are just basically, just as I said, unwinding the momentum that had built up. Look at that sequence of very strong bearish candles to the downside, and it's just unwinding that move. So certainly I think around 1260 that would be ideal as a selling area, but we'll see how high this rally goes. 1225 at the moment, so a little bit of a way to go, but certainly I think that selling pressure is now growing on the euro, and this is just unwinding that move just slightly. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.